everyone, it's Danielle here for Clair Designs. I'm back today to share a clean and simple card project using the Thankful for You clear stamp set from Clair Designs September release. This 4x4-inch clear photopolymer stamp set is a set of 5 images, one big illustration of the sunflower, one Bible verse, and 3 friendship sentiments. The set is versatile where you can easily combine with the main image or other stamp sets. You can find the Thankful for You stamp set along with the rest of the release and more by visiting joyclair.com. Alright, so my card project this week is clean and simple. I love clean and simple cards because they are easy to put together and most of the time I can make them in batch. So that comes handy during the holiday season for sure. I'm featuring the big sunflower with one of the friendship sentiments from the stamp set. I'm also going to use a Gina Marie Designs die cut to frame the card, which, by the way, if you can't find this specific die cut on joyclair.com, there are a variety of other Gina Marie Designs die cuts to select from, and any of them could work for this type of card project. Alright, so to start, I use my anti-static tool on my card panel. The anti-static bag, it's a staple in my stash. Every paper crafter must have it. It really prevents stray embossing powder from ruining your project. So you just rub that pad all over the card panel. Next, I'm going to stamp the image and the sentiment using VersaFine ink. I use this ink when I heat emboss. It takes me a couple of minutes to decide on the position of the image just to get it centered and positioned the way I like. After I stamp the image, I'm going to heat emboss using Nouveau black embossing powder. And you'll see that coming up shortly. So as I mentioned, it does take me a little while to position the stamps the way I would like. I really want it centered, so I just take my time with that, and that's what you're seeing on the screen now. So what I'll do is let you, just for a few seconds, watch the embossing or the stamping and then the heat emboss, and then I'll come right back with you. All right, keep watching. So after the heat embossing, I'm ready to frame that card panel. So I use that die I talked about earlier. It is a Gina Marie Designs die. And again, if you can't find that on the Clair website, joyclair.com, there are a variety of Gina Marie die cuts that you can select from, and any of them could work for this type of project. I'm pulling out my score buddy now so I could align the top card panel when I adhere to the card base. I usually use that when the top card panel is the same size as the card base. It helps me align it. Alright, to finish off the card, I'm adding enamel dots. I think it offers a great enhancement to the card. And that's pretty much it. Clean and simple, quick and easy. You can make these in batch. I love these type of cards. Hopefully it offers you some inspiration. Yeah, and I'm going to show you a couple of pictures now. And if you like this video, consider giving me a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm doing okay. And if you want to see more, subscribe. That's always appreciated. So thank you for watching, spending a few minutes with me with my new card project. I appreciate that, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.